Hello viewers, now we start to the third video, and first video is daily setups and second video is transition. Now we move forward to the setup transition, medicine and employee information. So first of all we talk about the expense form of current month. In current month, how many transition we have done in the expense form, and it is income or expense. We can just put the information and we can get the income or expense here, and all the information belong to the expense and income will manage here. All the expense from all, this is the from start to end, all the expenses will be show in this form. And we have also account expense account was summer detail report. This is account wise summer detail report, account header and account sub account. This is a report belong to the expense, and account opening and closing balance. And this is a account opening balance and income expense from and to date, from which date it is opening balance, and to the closing balance from end date. And if we want to search in particular amount, we can see in search here any particular amount, particular account. After that we have asset information, that sometimes we purchase assets and we want to uh, get into the our book in software that asset. This is the one, for example, asset tag number 3. This is asset number, amount, it is parent or not, it is recently active or not, in which account you have purchased, account detail, also serial number, model number, manufacturer it is used or not, it belongs to other little assets belongs to that asset. You can also uh, get information from save in this detail. And after asset we have same liability account, liability report. Sometimes we have to book the expenses also, liability also. That is some liability held to the our side, and we have to give that liability, so we can also book here. And same like income, same like asset. And this is account header, account detail, amount, and liability name, also liability number. And it is used or it is off when we get off this liability, then we use this set is no. After liability we go to move forward to the medicine. This is medicine information. These are the medicines, and we can see the medicines, one medicine. This is the medicine number 5, uh, and it is status active, and it can be split. It split means it can be used more time one time. It unit value is 150. We can use it 10 gram, 10, 20%, 30%, 50%. For that purpose, we use here in this split unit, and unit values here, and the price 1200. And after medicine we have medicine purchase. We can purchase the medicine from purchase order number 95, from which supplier we have purchased. And this is not a stock in, That is why it become the rate. We can add one more row, and we can add and which rate we have purchased. For example, quantity 4, 5, and we can save date the medicine we purchase, and all the information belong to the. It is not a stock out in, so we can if we want to stock in, we can just stock in that medicine. After it can be medicine can be consumed for which animal we have consumed this medicine. This is medicine information consuming for which animal we have used this medicine, and how much percentage we have used, how much available, and how much consumed we have used that medicine. So this is the one more we can insert information, same like that. And after that we move to the after medicine. This is medicine stock report, medicine summary report, also available there, and we can see in which medicine number 1, medicine number 6, medicine number 25 gram. This is the report, group by medicine. And we have the medicine stock summary report also here. We have purchase in hand, how much in hand, and here we use how much we use. It's also available there, stock report. After medicine we go to the uh, imply side. There's a application users we can create, and we can see we cannot change their we can change their password, but we cannot see their password. Imply information, imply report. Oh, sorry. Imply report. All the employees and their salary, account head, account detail, status, active or not. Now we go to the employee attendance. We can create the employee attendance. Right now we have the 7 month ledger, attendance ledger. All the when we create the month, all the active employees come here in the report in detail, and with all the dates, with present, with absent, and all in the end we have the detail also, how many days in this month, and how much this implies present, absent, and total absent, total present, total leaves are managed automatically here. And after that we have employee payrolls summary. We have employee payroll summary that in this month, 7 months, we are talk about November 2022. We have the summary, and this is employee salary, total days present, and gross salary per day salary, and gross per day salary status, and all detail header information is also mentioned there. Number of days, total number of employees, total absent, total present, and we if we add the ledger, all the data this transfer will be logged for any updation, and ledger will be hit for the employee ledger. We talk about the employee ledger where we can manage their information. There's a little bit net slow, so I think go back and see the. Okay. This is the employee number, total debit amount, and total balances, account head detail, and here is the amount he has debited, debit with reference number. Also from the cash book, there's a reference in cash book. Also we mention here, and same like we have managed the in reports, and we go to the report site, purchase information, purchase detail information. It is item which we have purchased but still not stock in, that is why it become red in report also. And stock milk stock report, in which transition we have this stock, this milk belong, we also give that information link also. Management report, purchase detail report, customer billing report. We can give the bill to the customer from here, and supplier billing report also we give from here, and profit loss report. This is profit loss report from today, 1st December. So total milk sale, total liters today, this month, this year. These all belong to the report. Total milk in liters we have today from production this month, this year, and liter price, total animal, average animal milk give today, this month, this year, direct cost, direct cost per liter, direct cost animal, profit overhead liters, overhead total cost liter, total profit on liter, 1 liter, overhead on animal, total cost on animal, dairy net profit, and other income also net profit also mentioned here. If we go to the back date, we can see all the information also. The total purchase milk liters this day and that date, and the total month in that month and that year, and net profit on that date and that month and that year below to the this date. And after that we have profit loss report. In the profit loss report we have from and to date, we can see the all the information, and total milk sale, direct cost, gross profit, and payroll information, medicine, all the information, net income also there from to date. After their report, we have uh, the customer ledger summary. This is the customer ledger summary. This is the total payment against this customer, and how much amount he paid, due amount, and how much liter he get from us. All the information as are in summary form, and we also same information in detail ledger. For example, we can see the one customer, same customer number, customer name, total payment paid and due, how many liter he get, and all the information also here we mention in detail with reference number. He purchased in a 261 invoice number against and 20 liter and with rate of 170 or 150. All the information he have mentioned we here, and from the amount we have get also mentioned here. Oh, this link is not working right now, but we this cash book and how much amount we have get from this uh, customer. And after that customer information we have same like supplier ledger information also there, and same like supplier ledger information. So I think it is over right now, and thank you for giving time to us. Thank you.